Maghimo ta og homemade sandwich, ham and egg cheese sandwich spread. Kani ham gi pikas-pikas na gikan ani, and then scrambled egg with the tiny slices of cheese. And gituyo ni kog daghan kog palit ani oh. This is a mayo. Mayonnaise, original mayo. So, ning ibalhin dere. Move it here. Okay, usa kay nani, this is 280 plus sa department store. What can you do? Okay, ang usa kadako ngay nani, this is 400 man. Makahimo pa kag balig daghan kayo. And then you could have also make ato nang i-mix. Wow, look at this one. This is a ham sandwich bread with cheese and egg. Wow. So, pwede na sa maghimo. Ano? Humid na ni siya. Diba? And, butang pa dyan na to og egg. Pero ato. Wow. Nakay bread ha? Nakay bread? Tanawa, nakay bread? Naba kay bread?
Ano?
Wow.
Bread.
Ano, mahimo pa ng tulo. Tulo kay nani. Tag 289 ba yan ni? Usa ka, nani. Kanang dako ba? So, it's done. And this is a homemade sandwich, ham and cheese with scrambled egg. Wow. Look at this one. Nana na siya egg and homemade sandwich. Then, atong ipuno ang tarpa crunchy. Voila! Wow! This one. So, ato siyang ibutang din ha. Ready to eat. Oh, pwede na siya ma-lunch. Wow! Ham and egg sandwich lunch.